Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you had a nice and good weekend, right? No matter what happens, if Hamas attacks Israel or oil prices go on the higher side or whatsoever, our markets are not ready to come on the downside, and that's what I told in last session. We had a technical glitch and our video was only able to, we were only able to render around 2.5 minutes of video. Now, if you see this one, this is the Nifty chart, and I told you 19,475 is going to be a very strong support, and that is what has happened. If you see today's low, it gapped down around 17,400. Maybe 470 or in 480 levels, right? So you have to believe that this level is going to be very super strong, and if I convert this into a daily time frame, you can understand clearly that there is going to be a doji pattern. Let me convert this into a daily chart, and you can see there is two doji pattern, and still market wants to go on the higher side. Market really doesn't want to come on the downside. This is the area where you have to focus on, right? So if you had gone short and call options, you would have made good money. This is not the case only for Nifty. This is the case for Banknifty, and this is the case for Sensex, and this is the case for Nifty also. We'll talk about that in later part of this video, but I can tell you there are lots of negative news in the world, whether it is Israel Hamas issue or crude oil prices. You know, crude oil prices are going on the higher side. Inflation rate is going on the higher side, and there is a very important meeting today. There is very important speech today at around 6 p.m. from 6:30 p.m. There is very important speech which is going to be Federal Reserve members are going to give speech today. Fed Logan speech is going to happen at 6:30 p.m. Then Fed Bar speech is going to happen at 6:45 p.m. and 11 p.m. Fed Jefferson speech is going to happen. So Federal Reserve chairman is going to come out, and these are all the proxies. These are all the indication whether they are going to increase the interest rate or not. And if they increase the interest rate this time, last time they paused the interest rate, I think, but if they increase the interest rate